Hi lovelies, welcome back to another review. It's Thursday. So today I have a review for you guys by the Burano company, and it is on the Burano Nail Pro 2-in-1 nail drill and nail vacuum cleaner machine. And I'm going to do a really quick unboxing, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you guys about everything that is included inside of the box. And before I continue with my review, of course, I have to give a huge shout out to my notification squad. These were the first 3 people to comment on my last video, and on that video I also did a premiere, and these were the first 2 people to join. So if you guys want to be part of the notification squad, definitely click on the bell icon down below so that you don't miss out whenever your girl uploads a new video. So this is everything that comes inside of the box. Now please bear with the background noise. Now you do get these set of diamond bits, which I don't ever use. The only thing I use in this kit is the sanding band barrel, and as you guys can tell, this one is a little bit more tapered to the top, which I absolutely love, so it'll be easier to slip the sanding bands on and off. So I'm just going to slip one of the medium grit ones on so you guys can see what I'm talking about. As you guys can see, there's an extra top there. Normally it's flat to the top, so it's not always like tapered, so I actually really like that. And another thing that comes inside of the package is this brush, and it is so small, but bear with the noise of the plastic while I try to get this out. I know that noise can be really cringing to some people, but the bristles of this is so soft, and I think this is a dust brush, but look at how short the handle is. It is just so cute. And inside of this package they also include this ceramic drill bit, and it is a medium taut cylinder 3/32. And for those of you who are not sure, the silver piece that goes into your handpiece is what is that shaft size, so that is the 3/32. And I've never used one of these ceramic drill bits, so I will be trying it out today. And of course this is your handpiece, so you do have the coil in the center of the cord, and then straight to the part, which is this part, that's going to go into the main unit, and then straight at the end where the handpiece is. So it is a twist to release and a twist back to secure. So once you twist to R, that drill bit is going to be able to switch out, and then once you secure it in place, it is not going to move. As soon as you open up the box, you see this stop warning, and it says turn this over, learn how to get 1 year free product replacement insurance. So on the back it says if anything goes wrong with the unit, you can either choose for them to ship you a brand new product, and there is absolutely no need to return the defective one. Another thing that they do include is the Burano 2-in-1 user manual, and it does have 8 steps, and it also has some tips on how to treat your products and how to use it and stuff like that. You guys can definitely go ahead and pause this video at any time to check it out and to read up on it. On the back of it, it just says packaging list, which includes the hose, the handle, the nail drill bit set, the cleaning brush, and the instruction manual. Another thing to note is that the handle speed goes from 0 to 25,000 RPM. The nail drill machine is 25,000 RPM max, and the dust collector is 4,500 RPM max. So before I actually get into the main unit of itself and what it looks like, I'm going to really quickly switch out my sanding band for that ceramic drill bit that they included, and I'm going to be using this in the demo today to remove my gel polish just to see how it works. So I kept forgetting that there's a hole in front of the unit. So this is what the front looks like. So you want to go ahead and plug your handpiece in right there, and the hole above where that handpiece is plugging in is where you're going to insert your handpiece. Now please note that it does not fit really well when you have a bit attached to it, so I will suggest taking off the bit before inserting it into the hole, just so that it fits nice and secure. But for now, I'm just going to take my little silicone stand and I'm going to rest it to the side of the actual unit because I want to show you guys the grill and we still have to look at the filter. So this is our grill and it does come with this white protective vinyl on it, so you go in ahead and you're going to peel that off. I'm not going to do that because the lights and everything are just going to blind my camera. And it is a shiny silver on the top, and I didn't turn it over, but it is a matte silver at the back. This is what our filter looks like. Now after taking out the frame, I can tell that that white piece, if it is that it needs to be changed out, is what is going, something is stuck in there, sorry, is what is going to be changed out and not the entire black frame. And of course this is your fan. There is a piece of silicone to the back where your client's hand is going to rest. It's not cushiony or anything like that, it's just really nice and smooth. So I'm just going to mount everything back up and I'm going to test this baby out. So on the front of the unit you have your power, which is your on and off, you have your forward and reverse, and you have hand and foot pedal. Now this does not come with a foot pedal, and once you want the vacuum button to work, the drill of itself must be on in order for the vacuum suction to work. So I must say the suction on this is really well. I usually test trying to pull up the filters while the fan is running to see how powerful the suction is, and this one did really well. So now that we know how loud the vacuum is, let's go ahead and see how loud the handpiece is. So this handpiece is not heavy at all, and it does feel really nice in my hand, but with the drill at this speed it does give off a very uncomfortable vibration. So if you work with your drill on a higher speed, I would suggest probably switching out this handpiece for one that you're accustomed to. Because it's a standard plug, it would be really easy just to make that switch so that you can still have the 2-in-1 feature. And it does give off a little bit of a hissing noise, so it's really loud compared to what I like my drills to sound like. But I am going to be testing out the entire system, the hand drill and the vacuum, and I'll meet you guys right back with my final thoughts on the Burano 2-in-1 nail drill and nail vacuum cleaner. So I must say this vacuum cleaner is amazing. Oh my gosh. Now I still got some dust around the vacuum on my hands and a little bit on my desk, but I really wanted to see how much it collected because I know it collected a lot. So I'm just going to reach for a piece of paper towel and I'm going to put it where the filter is. I'm going to turn the fan on because I don't want the dust to go everywhere. And do you guys believe that I did this entire review without the grill? Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to turn on the vacuum and I'm going to knock all of that dust out. And this is just dust from one hand. Like, I didn't take down the nails or anything like that. I just removed my gel polish, reshaped my nails, and this is all the dust. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look as to what it looks like. I just want to make sure that I get all that dust out for you, like every single bit of it, so you guys can see the difference. And this is actually how you're going to clean your dust, your filter. Please don't judge. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that I got all the dust out for you guys, and I did. So this is all the dust that was collected by the Burano vacuum cleaner, and this is just gel polish removal on one hand. I did collect the dust on my desk, and let me tell you, I wish I took a picture of it. It was nothing compared to what this vacuum sucked up. Like, all of this was just one hand. And I know my hand was like all over the place, and it still sucked that dust in for the most part. And I absolutely love it. So now for my final thoughts on the Burano nail drill and nail vacuum cleaner. Now I must admit to you guys that the handpiece that comes with this duo is not my favorite. I am sorry, I'm just keeping it 100. It needs some improvements, but it is easy to change it out because the vacuum is thebomb.com. I will leave the links in my description box below. I will definitely recommend the nail vacuum. As for me, I am still using and currently using the dust collector, and I still love it to this day. I have been testing it out. Today would be approximately a month since I've had this unit and testing it, and it's been working fine. I really and truly love the amount of dust that it prevents from getting in my face, getting in my client's face, getting all over my nail area. So I will definitely recommend the dust collector. And that is it for this review, guys. I hope it was helpful and informative, and if it was, give this video a big thumbs up and tell me your opinion about this 2-in-1 nail file and nail vacuum cleaner in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing from you. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and while you're there, turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss out every time I post a new video. And that is it for me. I want to thank you so much for watching. As always, stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.